The story about the level test for level test for stand-up paddleboard instructor from level 1 to level 2. 12 attendants for level up from level 1 to level 2 gathered at sea camp. They sea camp, marine camp, and from October 10 to 11 for 2 days and 16 hours with the help of staff and the level 3 instructors at KOSCO Korea Stand-Up Paddleboard Association. So learning about some program. I was one of them. I attended the level test for level up from at the Marine Camp where I manage the club and the business for water sports, especially stand-up paddleboard. The level 2 can be instructor to teach you level 1, the instructors as well. So uh, level 2, the course of level 2 is highly recommended for the qualification, um, teaching how to teach, how to get a technical on stand-up paddleboard and physical fitness. So when we started, we learn about how to teaching the process. After then, we are talking about it and the review, and we got a test. We got test 2 exam. Unfortunately, I took an exam, but I missed the second page. So and then after I knowing about the result, and then I'm disappointed because for passing the exam, and then the score should be more than 80 from 100, 80 from 100. After then, we did the physical test from starting point to the 1 kilometer away. It's quite a long distance, and wind is strong. While we are on the beach side and we are training for the how to manage it, training for the next training for the next step. It on the beach side about how to paddle and then pivot turn. And also we exercised on the water just to test it. Then we paddled to the 1 kilometer, but the instructor said we moved to from 102 and 500 meters for the safety. So and then our 2 times square and 2 kilometer, and we are passing. The results will be 20. I got a 27 minutes, but the course was not clear. So and then the deadline is 26 minutes, and I I talk about the course and the matter. So and then uh, let's who got the record? Let's 26 minutes. Who got 26 minutes? And then we did it to 26 minutes, and we next day we took the physical exam. Uh, After finishing, and then I was disappointed, so I took less too. And next day, we did prepare about the physical test, technical testing, and going to the beach side, and we did a technical test practice, and wind is strong again, and tide and current is also fast. We practiced it. After then, we got a test about uh, what the paddling, what, from buoyant to buoyant, and using the basic turn, crossbow turn, and pivot turn. And also, we jump on the board 5 times under the water, and then we did we practiced, and so uh, we after we got tested, three of the club members did a 4 kilometer stand-up paddleboard physical test by using Garmin. And we could use the wind direction and current, but the against wind was strong, so then it's not easy. What we paddle 4 kilometer exactly by the Garmin, but when we up, up upward to the wind, it was very strong. But we a little bit pursuing the paddling to the pursuing the it will be really okay. But 4 kilometer, I paddled 4 kilometers for 43 minutes about 43 minutes about. Then and the limit is 50 minutes. Three of them, luckily, we could just finish before 50 minutes. So then physical fitness re-exam, we could pass. That was motivation. And also after then we having lunch, after having lunch at the local restaurant, we got a presentation from the book from chapter 1 to chapter 8. I presented the end of order, and then for 12 presenters that were there. So, and then I was the last one. Well, I talk about and fulfillment and effectiveness of the standard paragraph about renewal and recovery from the getting hurt, and also the growing children or diet. Um, and but I told about my experience when we finished we got a review. Anyway, so 2 day and 16-hour level test was finished. I um, I felt about so good, and then I learned and then about it. Also, I unsatisfied something, many things. So, and then all the experience is the first time as a level two, because in 20, since in 2022, then we got a 2025, this is fourth level to test. So, and then it's quite long time. We got some meaningful history with the challenges and with the instructors and the examiners and with the staff who got experience all the program. Okay.